First, I'm going to prime my lids with the Urban Decay Primer in Eden and set it with my Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. And now we are jumping into the Morphe 39A palette. For transition shades, I'm combining Bare and Define Me, and I'm just brushing this on my crease so I have a nice transition for the other darker shades I'm going to be putting down. For the first shade in my outer V, I am taking the shade Deep Hue and placing this in a sharp V with my Morphe E17 brush. You're going to want to take a little bit more of that shade and fill it in, bringing it closer to the actual lid. This is going to act like a base for a darker shade coming up. Now, as always, I'm going over with a little Sonia Kashuk brush and making sure all of my shadows are blended nice and softly. On a less dense blending brush, I'm picking up the shade Frame and blending this to help ease those darker shades onto the lid. I'm now taking the shade Muse to smoke the look up, and I'm placing this right over the filled in Deep Hue shade. I know I went in with a heavy hand, but if you don't want something so dark or dangerous to your finished product, you're going to want to tap off the excess and build it to your own desired look. Once again, I'm blending the edges out with the Sonia Kashuk brush. For the middle shade, I'm picking up Chromatic and applying it with a flat Urban Decay packing brush. For the lower lash line, I'm going back in with Frame and applying this with the other side of that Urban Decay brush and warming it up. For the waterline, I'm using my favorite Beauty For Real 24/7 gel eyeliner. And with the shade Slice and a Morphe flat brush, I'm blending the eyeliner and frame shade together. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Sigma Black Gel Liner with a Sigma EOS 6 brush just for the wing. For the rest of my lid, I'm using my Super Skinny Marker by NYX. And for lashes, I'm using the Kiss Faux Mink Lashes in Midnight. And now I'm using the Tarteist Lash Paint by Tarte to secure my real lashes to the fake. Lastly, for lips, I'm using my go-to right now, which is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up or subscribe down below, and I will see you guys for more tutorials and reviews next time. I hope you all had a fun and safe New Year, and Happy New Year!